We're offering our two patties to be delivered to a home. We have our Sonoma style vegetarian patty, and we have our ancient grain vegan patty. All of our patties are made with ingredients that you can pronounce. It's one of our core foundations in what we do. We're using real ingredients, binding it together with no science. And in our vegetarian patty, we have a uniqueness of goat cheese and cranberry to give it a little bit of a tartness and a nice smooth finish. And in our vegan patty, we added a little silken tofu and dried apples along with edamame to give it a nice little finish to it. The vegan patty is gluten-free. Both patties are gluten-free, and the vegan patty does have soy in it, and the vegetarian patty is gluten and soy free. Please head over to our website, www.stevensons-farms.com. There you will find all the information you need to know about the patties, from nutritional information, order sizes, order dates, cost, etc. If the website is too difficult for you to use during this Corona time, please feel free to call our head of operations and my wife, Nikki, and on her cell phone, which is also up on the website, to place your order that way.